Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is magnumcyclonex. Today we're going to do another unboxing, and I'm so excited to show you guys what this latest model car Tamiya has released. This is the NEO-VQS or NEO-Vanquish. It comes on the brand new VZ chassis, which is the evolution of the VS chassis. And the Vanquish, it's been a classic racing mini 4WD, and now they've reimagined it into something more modern and aerodynamic. So let's take a look at the box and see what it says on the box first. I don't know if you can see this, but it's pretty standard. You have the front bumper, the batteries, motor, and here you have some icons. So it'll show you what's included, and I actually like this design of how they've simplified the box contents. You can see that if the camera picks up, you can see that it's made in Japan. So I'm very happy about that, because a lot of the times these kits are made in other countries, and for something brand new, I think having that made in Japan assurance is good to know. So let's go ahead and open the box, see what's inside. First you have the brand new VZ chassis. Now it's very light. When I'm holding it, it's very light, and you can see there's different attachment points. They do have this front bumper here that also has a attachable piece, and also the rear stay, which you can attach on the back. The chassis itself looks it has a matte finish, so it's really nice, and I think it will do pretty well considering how modern this hobby has turned out to be. So aside from that, we also get all the other parts of the chassis. I just mentioned the front and the rear, and everything else seems to be pretty standard. I think there's a redesigned body catch and motor cage, but nothing too different from the previous edition, the VS chassis. We have the NEO-VQS body, and I've still not taken it out of its plastic, but hopefully I'll take a look at it and see. It seems like it's pretty good and very sleek. So it does have these side wings that's very reminiscent of the Aero Avante from the Rev series. Then you have your standard motor, contacts, propeller shaft, gears. This comes in a blue and orange, so that is a 3.5:1 ratio. I think that's the same colors for single shaft motors. Standard tires, standard 5-spoke wheels. Very nice silver looking decal sticker set. And then you have your instructions and your safety manual. So that's it for this unboxing. I'm really excited again that this new chassis here, it's super light, so maybe this could be useful for a speed type build, but I'm also happy that they've included lots of attachment points. I'll probably have a build later on to see how sturdy and how customizable this is. But let me know in the comments what you think of this chassis, and hope to see some builds out there.